turn the page of time and enter the era of the royals and majesties. Let the castle gates open and start the festivity. And now, let us all welcome her proud parents. Welcome and be part of fun. This is your Philippine Party.
Tiny moments filled with golden, perfect weekends. I could dream all night. We don't need a lot of money. I am richer with you by my side. Yeah, we live it right. I got 2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life that make me feel alive. Love little things, love little things. Love little things, love little things.
So meron na po tatlong birthday wishes si Mr. Jollibee para kay Astrid. So sa kanyang unang wish na si Astrid ay lumaking bata. Hindi ayan, maging sakitin. And for the second wish na si Astrid ay lumaking bata. Madasalis. At syempre, may takot sa Diyos.
It's just the little things.
Na si Astrid ay lumaking bata. Always be happy and friendly like our best friend. Jollibee Malakpan na
All of the little things in life that make me feel alive. Love little things, love little things. Love little things, love little things.
Wish ko lang sa birthday ng apo ko, sana maging mabait siya, may takot sa Diyos, at palaging malakas ang pangatawan, hindi maging sakitin. I love you, Astrid.
Ayun be, hello, happy birthday po kay Astrid, ang aking inaanak.
Wish ko sana lumaki siya na, kasi ganda syempre ng ninang niya.
Charis!
I love you, baby!